thank you for coming back. So today's video is going to be, I'm trying to make it as short as it can be, and it is about Doodle Forms. So we have to open the official website of Doodle Forms. I'll leave the link in the description. So here it is. Now then these are two options. We have to click personal, go to Doodle Forms. So here it is open. Now we have to click blank, and if you want to take some template, you can take from there. Now we can give any form title, which can be anything. Form number 1. Description can be form number 1. Question you have to write here, and the options you can write here, and you can add options from here. Option 2, and you can change whatever how you want to accept the answer from the response, and you can add more questions, like if you have, and you can make this required so that people have to do this, and then it will come send. So before sending, I want to tell you something else, other features of this. Now I want to change it to multiple choice, so I want to add some options. Option number 1, option number 2, option number 3, and write whatever you want. And if you want to delete a question, you can delete it from here, and if you want to duplicate a question, you can duplicate, and if you want to delete the option, you can delete it from here. And we can also do check boxes, that this is also right, like people can do this is also right, this is also right, and this is also right. So now let's send it. Now let's see how we can send this to someone. So we can send it via email, via link, and via HTML. So we'll send as link. I'm going to copy it, and wherever I have to send this, I'll send it over there. So I'll send this just a couple of people, whatever the title I have to give, and I'll paste the link over here, and I'll send this. Now I have, so here is the sent mail that I have sent. Now I will open this mail. When you open this mail, the same link is there, and now I'm going to open this. Here it is. So now I'm going to click this link. Here is the form that I created. Now I'm going to click option 1 and 2 and submit it. And now I can also submit another response. I'll go back, and here it is, the responses that I've got, and it is here, and you can get all the analytics of your response. So this was all about today's video. I'll be back with another video soon. And also tell me in the comment section below what should I upload, what kind of things you want to learn, and so I may upload it. So comment section are always open for suggestions and everything, like ideas, suggestions, recommendations. Until I upload another video, until then, bye bye. Like, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video. So bye bye until then.